Hello, how are you? I am back again today. I thought I'd do a quick QVC Today special value unboxing, and it's a really good one. It features Philip Kingsley hair care, which I love. I'm such a fan, so I thought I'd do an unboxing. But before I get started, I just thought I'd let you know this offer is already out now. So it's out now. If you want it, go buy it. It's really good, and it's only going to be available today and tomorrow. So really, this video will be out of date very quickly. But I loved it and I just wanted to share the information. So here I am, using Mary's nap time very wisely. Anyway, let me show you what you get. Actually, before I do that, I should probably tell you the price. So the price, it's worth £145, but because it's QVC, because it's a today's special value, it's actually £54.99. Can you tell I checked my cheat sheet there? I just couldn't remember the numbers off the top of my head. But yeah, anyway, let me show you what you get. So the first thing that you get is a giant bottle of their bodybuilding shampoo. This is incredible. It's weightless, but it gives you so much body. It's incredible. And this is 500 ml of shampoo. That's half a litre of shampoo. I don't know about you, but that's going to last me like a year. Maybe I don't wash my hair frequently enough, but this is epic, I have to say. It's incredible. So that is the first item. And then we have the matching conditioner. Also, the scent of this is jasmine and mandarin, and it smells incredible. It smells like a super luxe hair salon, but like a really good one. You know, when you're like a real premium one. It smells incredible. It's really fresh and just, I don't know, fruity, and oh, it's gorgeous. It's so luxy and lovely. It smells, oh, perfection. I just love it. And I'm gonna smell it again. God, that's just so good. Like, I could almost wear this as a perfume. It's that good. It smells incredible. Anyway, next item. Next up, we have their Elasticizer Booster. This can either be used as like a really hardcore conditioner or as a hair mask. Personally, I would say use it as a hair mask because you'll get more bang for your buck that way. But if you're in a hurry, just use it as a conditioner, and it's really good and hydrating, especially if you're like me and you have very dry hair. And then the final item that we have is the Elasticizer Extreme. This is actually a hair mask, but you put it on before your shampoo, which is crazy. It kind of plays with your mind because you think, how does that work? But I don't know how it does, but it does. It really works. It's incredible. You put it on before your shampoo as a 10-minute hair mask. It adds all the good stuff, but it doesn't wash out. It's incredible. It's crazy. It's weird. It works. And yeah, this is a really big size of their hair mask. And yes, you can use this and then the shampoo and then the conditioner or the other conditioner, whatever you want. But either way, you're going to have big, bouncy, full of life, full of moisturizing hair. And yeah, I love this set. It's incredible. I'm so excited. My hair really needs a good boost at the moment, and I really needed this set in my life, and I thought I'd share it with you. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.